Under the table.
See the bunny?
Look under the table, Sean.
And then give it to your Kia.
Especially if it doesn't rattle, huh, Kate? Go, look. Yellow, look at the yellow one. Look at eggs. Look at the yellow one. Oh, where is it? Where is it?
Everleigh's doing it over there, Sean.
Look at over here. Look.
Oh, she saw that, huh?
Should I move this one?
She can't reach it.
Yeah, I'll put it right here. Yay!
Yay!
Is there any more? Is there any more?
How to get
You
rid of
need to
that?
find some other ones because those are all. Yeah!
Good job.
I felt like you guys should have just thrown it in the middle and just let the kids go out.
Oh, this is way cuter.
Everleigh.
Good job, Mama.
Everleigh. Look here. Look. There's more.
You got
Look.
the pigs, Mom?
Everleigh.
Sean.
Watch the sprinkler. Oops.
Yay! Where's Sean at, baby? Everleigh, where's Sean? Where's Sean at?
Oh, I
I see lots of eggs. I see a mosquito home.
Leave that one
Oh, no,
around.
that's the thing that eats the mosquito.
Look, Mama. Look. Look.
Up right there. What's that? That one doesn't rattle. That's
Tear him up over here.
Look at right there too. Look, right over here. Look. Oh, another one. Oh, another one. I'm happy you're okay. Look right there.
Everleigh, look.
She's like, I just want the candy, guys.
Look it over here. Go, bring your basket, Mommy. Bring your basket. Come on, let's go look.
Right here, look.
Come here. Oh, that's where Everleigh was going to
Grammy, there's one right here.
Oh, Everleigh.
Another one.
Look at it.
Look
Right
at
there.
another one right there.
I'm kind of scared of that one. There's a lot of bricks.
There it is.
And one more behind you.
Put it in your basket.
Yay!
One more behind you. Look right there. One more. One more. Look right there. Right there. Look. Here, look.
Help her out here.
Everleigh.
Guide the child.
Everleigh.
Right here. Look. Come.
Look at right here.
Everleigh, look.
Got one over there.
Look at Everleigh. Look at that one over there.
Right here.
Oh my goodness. Yay! Help her. I have one. Yay! You did it.
Good job. Good job.
Here it is, Mommy. Come here.
That's the one for Nina. Thank you, baby.